Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NCERT Mathematics Learning Hub. In this video, I am going to discuss with you people a very important concept which will help you to score 2 to 3 marks in your board exam directly if you are going to learn this concept thoroughly. So, what is that topic? That topic is finding the area of the triangle if the vertices of the triangle has been given it to you. This is the first question of exercise 7.3 of the chapter Coordinate Geometry from NCERT Mathematics textbook. You can observe here the question says you need to find the area of the triangle and the vertices they have given. So what I did, I just drew a triangle here and I have named the triangle as ABC and I have given the coordinate respectively. Okay, so there is a direct formula for finding the area of the triangle if the vertices are given to you. Okay, so here I am going to tell you a trick to remember the formula because the formula looks very big and complicated one. So I'll just tell you a trick to write the formula. Okay, so you would be knowing the formula contains x and y term. So I'll just separate that here. So if the subscript of x is 1, then the subscript of y should be 2 and 3. Then if the subscript of x is 2, you are just eliminating the first one, you are going to the next one. So 2, then after 2 what is there? 3. And then again 1 should be repeated. There should not be any 4 or anything because we have only 3 points. We have 3 vertices, right? So because of that it should be among 1, 2, 3 itself. Now if the x value will be 3 because we need to eliminate the first one. So it will be 3, then the next value is 1, then afterwards what should come? There is 3, there is 1. So what should be here? It is 2, right? So let us just implement this in the formula. Area of the triangle is equals to half. This half you need to write outside a big bracket, okay? Because this half is for everyone and I have observed most of the students skipping this part. It is very important. Whatever the value you are getting here, you need to divide that value at the end with 2. If you are going to miss this 2, then your answer will be wrong. Okay, so come back to the problem here. The formula x subscript should be 1 for the first time. Then y subscript should be 2 and 3, right? So y 2 minus 3. In between the y, there should be minus sign. Okay. So if your first line is done, now this is done. So let me just put 1 plus here. Okay. Then coming back to the next line, that is 2 subscript, x subscript of x is 2. Right. So let me just write here x2. Then again put the bracket. Now the subscript of y is 3 and also 1. So y3 minus y1 plus. Then coming back to the third row. So here the subscript of x is 3. And y, what is the subscript of y? 1 and 2. Right? y1 minus y2. Right? So you can observe between every y you need to put minus and after each term, after each row you need to put there plus. So this is how you will write the formula. Let me again discuss with you. First part of this equation should have the 1 by 2 value. Then you need to put a big bracket and then you need to start with x subscript. So x subscript is 1 for the first time. Then the y subscript 2 and 3. And in between every y you should put there minus. Okay. So first part or first row is done. Now coming to the next row. For the next row, x subscript should be 2. So I have put here 2. So and then y subscript should be 3 and 1, right? So what you need to do in between, you need to put there minus. And after each row, you need to put there plus. Then coming back to the third row, subscript of x should be 3 and y is 1 and 2. So I have just put here 1 and 2. This is done now, right? So now let us come back to the problem here. You need to assume x1, y1, x2, y2 according to your opinion. So I am taking this as x1 y1. Let it be x2 y2. Let this be x3 y3. Okay, and please do not forget to put this half. Now I'll just substitute everything. After writing the formula correctly, the remaining part of this is very simple. If you know the simplification, how to simplify the numbers, if you know that, then 3 marks will be in your hand, right? So x1 is 2 here. y2, what is the value of y2? 0 you have. Minus y3, what is y3 you have? Here you can observe y3 is minus 4. So you need to write, you should not write negative sign without the bracket. So you need to write with the bracket here. So double bracket it has now. Plus x2 you can observe here again it is having minus 1. So I am writing this one with the bracket because two signs cannot be there at once. Now y3 you can observe minus 4 minus. You may ask why I am not writing this in bracket, because already it is at the beginning of the bracket, so I am not writing. Then y3 minus y1 is what? 3 plus x3 value it is 2. Then y1 3 minus y2 value is 0, right? So we have substituted everything. Let me just close this with bracket, square bracket now. And this 2 you should not cancel it out here or anywhere at the beginning itself. It should be kept as it is. After simplification part, at the end you need to just divide the answer by 2. Okay, so here 2 0. Here you can observe both are minus, so minus into minus is plus 4. Then plus into minus, this will become minus, and minus 1, and here minus 4 and minus 7 both are having negative sign. So you need to add it and write the bigger number sign. So minus 7 plus 2, 3 minus 0, it is nothing but 3 itself. Any number added with 0 or subtracted with 0, you will get the same number back, right? So 1 by 2, 2 into 0 plus 4, it is nothing but 4 itself. Minus into minus, it will become plus 1 into 7, 7 7s are 7, plus 2 3s are 6, right? So what are you going to get now? 1 by 2, 2 4s are 8, plus 7 plus 6, how much it will be? 13, right? Then you have in the next step 1 by 2, 8 plus 13, how much it will be? It will be 21, right? So what is the answer you got? 21 divided by 2 if you are going to keep this answer in the fraction. Otherwise, if you are converting it into decimal, then it will be 10.5, right? So this is how you will find the area of the triangle if the 3 vertices are given to you. Very easy, but the thing is you need to write the formula correctly, and remaining everything, the substitution part, you need to be careful when you are substituting. After that it will be very simple if you know the simplification part, how to simplify the numbers. Okay, so that's it for now. In the next video I will discuss with you how to find the value of k if the given points to you are collinear. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.